Let's play a little imagination game. Close your eyes for just a second. Imagine you're standing in a cozy apartment in Milan, sunlight streaming through the balcony, soft music playing, and a stunning aquarium sitting in the corner. Beautiful neon fish gliding through the water, colors dancing like living jewels. Now imagine the same aquarium 1 month later. Water cloudy, filters clogged, fish floating upside down, and someone shouting from the kitchen, "Luca, the tank smells like a dead sea." That is where your new business begins. A business you can start today with €0 in your pocket. Welcome to the Aquarium Tank Cleaning Service, a simple, underrated, and surprisingly profitable business that most people never even think about. But once they see the potential, they can't unsee it. This is Dollar Mind Tricks, and today we're diving deep, pun absolutely intended, into how you can start this small yet powerful service from nothing and turn it into a stable, monthly income stream that grows faster than fish in clean water. Let's start with a truth bomb. There are millions, yes, millions, of home and office aquariums across Europe. From London cafes that keep mini fish tanks for aesthetic vibes, to Berlin tech offices that use aquariums as relaxation zones, to families in Paris or Amsterdam who just love their colorful aquatic pets. But here's the thing. Most people hate cleaning them. They love the idea of owning fish. It's peaceful, it's Instagrammable, it's stylish. But cleaning the tank? That's where dreams go to die. Algae, filters, water changes. It's messy, smelly, and time-consuming. That's your gap in the market. And if you can step in and say, "Hey, I'll take care of that for you," affordably and professionally, you've just found a niche that's both low competition and high demand. Let's get something straight. You don't need fancy tools or a marine biology degree. You just need common sense, basic supplies, and confidence. Your first clients won't ask if you have a diploma. They'll ask, "Can you make my tank look clear again?" And the answer is yes, with zero investment. Here's how. Borrow or use a simple siphon hose, which you can even make at home with a clear tube. A bucket, everyone has one. Soft sponges and nets, cheap, reusable, and available at any supermarket. Boom, you're in business. Your first cleaning job might earn you €30 to €40 for just 30 minutes of work. Do 3 small jobs in a day, and you're already at €100. That's more than what many make in an entire 9 to 5 shift, and you didn't even break a sweat. Let's talk about Alex, a 27-year-old from London. He used to work in a coffee shop near Oxford Street, earning around €11 an hour. One day, he helped a customer carry a new aquarium to their car. That customer joked, "Wish you could come clean it for me when it gets dirty." Alex laughed, but later that night, he couldn't stop thinking. He Googled, "How much does aquarium cleaning cost in London?" The answer shocked him. Professional cleaners were charging €70 to €120 per session. He didn't have money to buy gear, but he had creativity. He started by cleaning his own small tank at home, recorded a video of it, and posted it on Instagram with a simple caption, "Professional aquarium cleaning, home visits in London." Affordable, friendly, reliable. He got 2 calls in the first week. Fast forward 6 months. Alex had 27 regular clients, earning around €1,500 to €2,000 a month, working part-time. No investment, no office, just hustle and trust. That's the power of spotting invisible needs in everyday life. Ready to start your own version of Alex's story? Here's your step-by-step guide. Find a friend, relative, or neighbor with a fish tank. Offer to clean it for free in exchange for practice and photos. Take before and after pictures. These will become your marketing gold. Make a free logo on Canva. Name it something like Aquacare Europe, Fishy Fresh, or Crystal Tank. Don't overthink it. Clean, friendly, easy to remember. Post on Facebook Marketplace, Nextdoor, Instagram, and local community groups. Use hashtags like #AquariumService, #CleanFish, #MilanBusiness, #BerlinStartup. You'll be surprised how many fish owners are desperate for help. Start low, around €25 to €35 for small tanks. Once you build confidence and speed, raise it to €50 or more. Offer maintenance plans, like weekly or monthly cleaning, so you get recurring income. When visiting clients' homes or offices, wear clean clothes, smile, and be friendly. People don't just pay for the service, they pay for trust. Let's say you now have 15 loyal clients who each pay you €40 per cleaning every 2 weeks. That's €1,200 per month, easy. But what if you expand? You could hire a helper, train a friend, and pay them per visit. Offer fish food delivery with each visit. Partner with local pet shops. They recommend you. You give them a small referral bonus. Before you know it, you're not just cleaning tanks. You're running a small service business with real cash flow. And here's the beautiful part. This business has zero seasonality. People need clean tanks all year. Christmas? They want clear tanks for guests. Summer? They travel and pay you to maintain the aquarium while they're gone. It's reliable. It's peaceful. It's profitable. Now, let's get real for a moment. Most people chase glamorous startups, tech apps, online courses, AI bots, whatever's trending. But the quiet millionaires? They build unsexy businesses that solve everyday problems. Tank cleaning, window washing, garden care. These are recession-proof services. When economies crash, people still pay for peace of mind. That's your hidden advantage. Think about it. Would you rather compete with 10,000 people trying to sell an online course? Or be the only person in your neighborhood who professionally cleans aquariums? You're probably thinking, okay, sounds good, but how much can I really make? Let's break it down. Small aquariums, under 60 liters, 30 to 40 euros. Medium tanks, 60 to 150 liters, 50 to 70 euros. Large office tanks, 150 plus liters, 100 to 150 euros. If you clean 3 to 4 tanks per day, 5 days a week, that's easily 1,500 euros to 2,500 euros a month, part-time. Do it full-time, build regular contracts, and you're looking at 3,000 to 4,000 euros steady monthly income. That's a full European salary, without an office, without a boss, without stress. And the best part? You started from zero. One of the reasons people like this business is the human connection. You'll meet people with amazing stories, like Sophie from Berlin, who keeps 20 exotic fish and names them after famous musicians, or Miguel in Madrid, who says his aquarium is his therapy after long metro shifts. You become more than a cleaner. You become part of their little ecosystem. That's what keeps clients loyal. That's what brings referrals. And that's what builds reputation, something money can't buy overnight. Let's quickly cover some rookie mistakes. Using harsh soaps or chemicals, these can kill fish instantly. Always use aquarium-safe tools. Overpromising, be honest about what you can and can't fix. Ignoring consistency. Once you promise a cleaning schedule, stick to it. Forgetting to brand. Professionalism makes small businesses grow fast. Quitting too early. It takes a few weeks to build word-of-mouth momentum. Stay consistent. Now imagine this. You start alone. You clean your first few tanks, get paid in cash, smile, because it's finally working. You build a small team. Then you create a website. Before you know it, you're serving dozens of homes, hotels, and offices across your city. Your service becomes a mini brand. Your time is flexible. Your income, predictable. That's financial freedom in motion. It's not about buying a Ferrari. It's about waking up on a Tuesday morning, sipping coffee at a Paris cafe, and realizing you're not going to a job you hate. You built something from scratch. Every business starts with a single, quiet thought. What if I try? You might not have money. You might not have experience. But if you've got curiosity and the courage to start small, that's enough. Because success doesn't come from big capital. It comes from small actions repeated every day, like cleaning a single tank until it shines. You're not just clearing algae. You're clearing the fog in your own financial future. So, if this video gave you even a small spark, promise yourself something today. You'll stop waiting for the right time and start doing, even if it's tiny, messy, or uncertain. Because that's how financial freedom begins. This is Dollar Mind Tricks, reminding you, you don't need a fortune to start. You just need to start to build a fortune. Now go out there and make your world and someone's aquarium crystal clear.
What if the secret to making more money has always been out there, just hidden from you? At Dollar Mind Tricks on Patreon, we share simple, proven pro tricks to boost your income, smart online business ideas, and real strategies that successful people use every day, but rarely talk about. No fluff, no complicated theory, just practical pro tricks and methods that actually work. Join Dollar Mind Tricks on Patreon today and start your journey to real financial freedom.